Mahashay Dharampal Gulati, or Mahashay, or the Spice King of India, passed away on 3rd December 2020 at the age of 98. He was undergoing treatment from last few weeks. The reason behind this bad news is cardiac arrest. His net worth of 5,400 crores was left as his legacy.
Let's talk about some of his achievements, his thoughts, his vision, and his rags to riches story, and then we will discuss about his business later in this video. He was awarded with Padma Bhushan, country's third highest civilian award. He was India's highest paid consumer product CEO in 2017, and he had over 21 crore rupees as salary in that year.
And as we all know, MDH focused on marketing at a very large scale. By the way, marketing is every company's success pillar, but when we talk about successful marketing, MDH comes first in our minds. Because we were watching MDH TV ads since we were kids, or even when our parents were young. He was probably the world's oldest advertisement star.
Let's talk about him on his personality level. He was a 5th grade school dropout and he believed on helping people and not expecting anything. This was the reason his 90% of salary went to charity. He had 2 sons, one of them passed away few years ago and the another one manages the overall work of the company and has 6 daughters who handles distribution of the products region wise.
One of the strongest belief, or we can say that the mantra of his life was being sincere in the product quality sold at affordable prices.
Now we will discuss about his business, the top spice brand MDH or Mahashayon Di Hatti or Mahashayon Ki Dukaan in Hindi. MDH was started in Sialkot, now in Punjab region of Pakistan. His father Mahashay Chunni Lal started this shop in Sialkot in 1919. And when India and Pakistan partitioned, they moved to Karol Bagh, Delhi. There he worked as a tangewala and then they again started the shop in Karol Bagh. And when this shop was handed over to Mahashay Dharampal, he wished to expand more and this idea of expanding more pushed him to further open 15 factories, and now when we talk about this brand, it has many factories and offices established in India as well as overseas.
It mainly covers Dubai and London. MDH exports its products to about 100 countries. It claims 80% market share in North India, and this is a huge number. When we talk about the number of products of this brand, there are nearly 62 products, of which the most common ones are Degi Mirch, Chaat Masala and Chana Masala. Each one of these products sells over a crore packets every month.
Now we will discuss about his charity work. MDH has opened over 20 schools including MDH International School, Mahashay Chunni Lal Saraswati Shishu Mandir, Mata Leelavati Kanya Vidyalaya and Mahashay Dharampal Vidya Mandir.
He later started a 10-bed eye hospital at Arya Samaj, Subhash Nagar, and then a 20-bed hospital was opened in Janakpuri, New Delhi. Currently, it has about 300 beds in about 5 acres of land.
Mahashay believed the most in overall quality of a company. 3 main factors for success of this company are: first one is the quality of the product should be the best. Second is the product must be sold at affordable price. And the last one is marketing and advertising should be focused the most.
And these 3 things made MDH a world famous export brand which has a very strong and unique presence in Indian and worldwide market. In 2019, it had a network of 1,000 stockists and almost over 4 lakh retail dealers. MDH company attributes its huge success to supply chain. From contract farming and sourcing bill are the spices from the Karnataka, the largest producer of spices in India, and Rajasthan to Afghanistan and Iran.
He was the most inspiring entrepreneurs of our country. It was the result of his hard work that he built the country's largest company of spices after coming to India from Pakistan. He was also responsible for the decisions taken by the company till his last days. He always believed in giving back to the society. Even in the time of pandemic, he donated masks and PPE kits for corona warriors.
He was such an inspiring personality. Even youth should learn from his hard work and dedication to his work. The kind of work he did for our society was really appreciable, and he boosted economy of India through his business.
So that was the video for today. Hit that like button if you liked the video and comment your thoughts on this video, and please share it with your friends if you really found it useful.
We will be back with more interesting and knowledgeable videos on startups, businesses and case studies. So subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for updates of our videos packed with knowledge.